What it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today we're in for a treat. We're talking about everyone's favorite uncle, Uncle Donnie. Stay tuned. And welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. Like I said before, we're talking about everyone's favorite uncle. I know he's my favorite uncle. We're talking about Uncle Donnie's Grooming Company. Look at that logo on there. I really appreciate that logo. That logo is nice. It's very, very clean, very nice. I like it. So we're talking about Vanilla Orchard Beard Butter. This is one of Uncle Donnie's first few scents that he came out with. He's an up-and-comer. I'm sure a lot of you know him from being in the community for a very long time, commenting, being in live streams. Well, you know, he started his own company. I'm very proud of him. Proud to say that's one of my friends right there. You know, I had to wear the Red Sox shirt today because with discussions with him, talking, you know, back and forth, he told me he's a Yankee fan. He's like, I hope that doesn't sway the review. I say, it won't sway the review, you know, joking around. And but I had to wear a Red Sox shirt. I had to let him know that, you know, the Red Sox beat him in the playoffs. Anyways, let's get back to the review. We're talking about Uncle Donnie's Vanilla Orchard Beard Butter, like I was saying before. You know, it's vanilla, mandarin orange with a hint of spiced bourbon. You know, I've used quite a bit of it. He sent this out to me, reached out, asked me to review it. I was more than happy to. I know that smells amazing. He sent me out a sample of his peppermint lemongrass when he first started out to get some feedback on it, and that was great as well. That was just a little small sample, you know, no labels or anything when he was first starting out, but This right here smells amazing. I've used this quite a bit. I've used it during the day, but mostly at night. You know, that's where I use most of my butters that I've gotten into. And if you looked at my top 6 beard balm / butters, Uncle Donnie's came in at number 5 there. So that's just tell you how good I really think it is. So, like I said, it's vanilla, mandarin orange, and a hint of spiced bourbon. And it's a very fresh smelling vanilla. And I love my vanillas. If you guys watched or talked to me or been in the live streams that I've commented on with whether it's Scott, Dan, so on and so forth, and you definitely get a fresh vanilla, like with a fresh citrus vanilla. It's got a little undertone of that spice probably from that bourbon. That's what I get. And, you know, it goes in the beard great. This stuff emulsifies so easy. Probably one of the top beard butters that I have that emulsifies so quick, and it's great. Sorry, I keep smelling it. I love this scent. I actually got the matching oil coming, and we'll talk about a little bit about that. It's all natural ingredients, which I really appreciate, and the fresh beeswax from his local beekeeper in Hershey, Pennsylvania, which that's really awesome. If you watch a couple of my other videos, there's been other companies that have used local products, and I really appreciate that. That's supporting your local businesses and your local consumers and so on and so forth, and that's really awesome. So Donnie, I commend you on that. That's awesome. So let's get to, sorry, I had to smell it again. Let's get to the ingredients here. We got organic beeswax, which is the fresh beeswax from his local beekeeper, which is awesome. Raw mango butter, African shea butter, castor oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, and then essential oils. These are great ingredients. These are top quality ingredients, and it really shows in the product. You know, it comes out very, very easy. This is a 1 ounce, by the way, and his 1 ounce butters go for $12, and if you want a 2 ounce, it goes for $17. Greatly priced. Those are great price points. Those are great pricing, reasonable, and especially for this quality of product. And like I was talking about the matching oil, if you wanted to try this and then you got the matching oil, it's $13.99, and that's a great deal for a 1 ounce oil. I got that coming on the way, and I got some beard balm coming on the way, so I'm very excited to try that. So Uncle Donnie's beard butter, everyone's favorite uncle, is Matt approved. I've been trying to spare this and not use it as much so I could have some in here for the review because I've been using quite a bit. It's about a third gone, I would say, but I slowed down a little bit because I wanted to make sure I had decent size left in here for you guys to see. Going back to the labels, I really like that. The back is blue. I like this. It's like a goldish golden blue. That's very clean. I like the color combinations on that. So, like I said, Uncle Donnie's beard butter, Uncle Donnie's Grooming Company. My favorite uncle, everyone's favorite uncle, is Matt approved. Stay bearded, And make sure you check out Uncle Donnie's Grooming Company.